Right, this time we'll talk about algebra expressions. Now let's look at these two examples. When we have algebra expressions, we will have some symbols such as x and y to represent certain numbers. Other than x and y, we can also use other symbols such like p or q, etc. When we have algebra expressions, we have different parts. Okay, different parts of it. Basically, we can call some parts constant terms, and then for some terms, they are called like terms, and some are called unlike terms. And I would like to use these two examples to illustrate what's meant by these phrases, the meaning of these phrases. Now take a look of this one first. 3x minus 2 minus x plus y, and you can see that they are basically we are using two symbols x and y, and then you can see there's one part of it does not contain any symbol, and then in this case we call this part, okay, this one, and then together with the sign in front of this number minus, okay, it means this is -2, and then this is called the constant terms. Now if we look at the second example like this one, okay, in this case we have 2, okay, nothing in front means it is a positive 2, and this one +5. Together they are called constant terms. And then if we look at the first example once again, and then we have 3x here, and then we have one negative x here, and then these two 3x and negative x, they are called like terms. Okay, and if for the other example, for the second example, the negative p and positive 3p together, they are called like terms. Now then, if you get the meanings of like terms, then you should know the meaning of unlike term. Okay, this un means not. It means this just opposite meaning of like terms. And for example, negative x and positive y together, these are two unlike terms. And in this case, maybe we can have negative p and negative q. Okay, they are a pair of unlike terms. Okay, now if we can identify some terms which are called like terms and which are called unlike terms, in algebra we will do something called combining like terms. Now let's look at these two examples. If we look at the first one, we can see that there are something called like terms. This pair 2y and negative y, and -5 and 3. Okay, these two altogether, once again, they are called constant terms. And then when we do something, say combining like terms, it means first we will group all the like terms together. And then we'll try to simplify. Now then, in this case, I have 2y +2, and then -1y. Therefore, at the end, I have just 1. And then I have -5 and +3. Altogether, I will have -2. Okay, therefore it means 2y minus 5 minus y plus 3, actually it is simplified to be y minus 2. Now let's take a look at the second example. First, we group the like terms together. We group 3r and plus r together, and then we have minus x minus 2x together, and then the constant term positive 3 plus 3, and then minus 5. And then it means altogether 3r and 1r, they are 4r. And then in this case, I have minus 1x minus 2x. It means I have altogether minus 3x. And then positive 3 minus 5. At the end, I get minus 2. And then this is the simplified result. And then after we have simplified the expressions, we can count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3. It means there are 3 terms. For the upper example, 1, 2, therefore it means for these examples there are 2 terms.